So as part of this week's program, we held the first ever Makareti Papakura Memorial Lecture. We had 300 people turn up to that lecture. It's been one of the most well-attended memorial lectures in the history of this museum. And so there were students from anthropology, from natural sciences, from right across the university, as well as faculty and senior staff, and students from the London School of Economics. And it was so inspiring and so humbling to see our whānau, to see the university honour Makareti and what she created for us as the first Māori woman to study here.
It was no wonder that Makareti made the decision to preserve the legacy of our ancestors by detailing their life and customary practices that proved beyond doubt that the lessons of our earliest forefathers would be relevant in any future for our people.